It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at 2018-19 O-Pee-Chee Platinum Hockey. John Tavares on the box. This is one of my favorite sets of the year. It's kind of really, as far as price goes, it's a mid-range set. Box of these, about $90 most places. I just really like the look of the cards. I've built the entire base set the last couple years. So you'll probably get a chance to see me open multiple boxes of this, because you need to open about 3 or 4 boxes to get a full set out of it. Lots of cool parallels in here, different colors. Levi the Pixels are back, which was from last year's set. There's a new one called Arctic Freeze, which are numbered to 79, so we'll see if we can pull one of those. There's your odds on the back. There's no memorabilia in this set, so no jersey cards or pucks or anything like that. But the big thing out of this set is that you are basically guaranteed 1 autograph per box, and the bulk of the autos are rookies. There are 20 packs in here, 4 cards per pack, so 80 cards in total. Like I said, I look forward to this release every year. I really like it. It's not generally a really pricey set. A lot of people are really looking for it. It's not a big resale product, but I enjoy ripping packs of this. So let's get started and let's see what we can pull. These are a little bit hard to show on camera just because of how shiny they are. Just take a look at the, let's take a look at this first. So, Rainbow Parallel, Adam Gaudette, rookie. One nice thing I've always liked about these, O-Pee-Chee Platinum always tells you what the parallel is. So this is a rainbow card, and it'll say it up here, which I like, because sometimes you don't know what something's called, especially if you're new to the hobby. Base cards, copy 2018-19. O-Pee-Chee. The one thing that's kind of different is this logo in here with the white band. I'm assuming they had to do that because of the chrome. Mario Lemieux Legend card. Not a huge fan of this design. I really like the retros though, which I'm sure we'll get to see some as we go through here. So there we got Mario. Marquee rookie Henry Yokiharu. And Nikita Kucherov, who has a much earlier summer break than I'm sure he would have liked. We've got Jonathan Quick, Michael Bodker, and another rainbow of Marian Gaborik, and Evgeny Malkin. I will probably once again build a set of these, so you'll probably get to see me open a few boxes of this. There's kind of a gap too in Upper Decks releases, so I'm sure I'll pick up some other stuff to fill that out. Rasmus Ristolainen, Nathan McKinnon. We have Ron Donato rookie, and we have a William Nylander. This is a retro, but this is a parallel. Blue Rainbow parallel, numbered to 149. That looks really cool. I really like the design on the retros this year. We've got Patrick Hornquist, Brock Besser, and Vinny Hinostroza retro, and Marcel Dion Legend. Very nice thing about O-Pee-Chee Platinum as far as collecting a set is that there's no, if you're just collecting the base set, there's nothing really short printed in this, unlike Upper Deck. Your Young Guns are short printed. The rookies, the marquee rookies, you have the same odds as all the other cards. Carey Price. Oh, and here's one of the new inserts. The future is now. It's right now. Brock Besser. But the future is probably in the future for the Vancouver Canucks. Cal Peterson, marquee rookie, and Math. Ryan O'Reilly. Got a rookie retro of Daniel Brickley, Pekka Rinne, and Christian Vesalainen, marquee rookie. Philip Forsberg, Franz Nielsen, and a rainbow for Ryan Getzlaf, and marquee rookie Dylan Sakura. Tyler Seguin, in action. I had the same one last year, different design though. John Tavares. Ryan Suter, and marquee rookie of Troy Terry. Taylor Hall, rainbow retro Travis Dermott, rookie. Anthony Mantha, Adam Gaudette. Are there any sets out there that you guys collect? Let me know in the comments. For collecting, certainly more so than when I started back in the 90s. It's not so much about collecting a whole set anymore. I think more people are likely to just collect a team or a player, especially with the way some of the sets are constructed nowadays. Like the base are sometimes hard to even get. There's Alexander Ovechkin, retro, and Brady Tkachuk, marquee rookie. This is the only set that I have actively built the last few years, mostly because it's kind of easy to do. I really like the look of the cards. Ryan Getzlaf, Jimmy Neal, and there we have there's our autograph, net magnets, William Karlsson, the Golden Knights. Very nice. Liking that. I don't know that I've ever pulled anything but a rookie auto out of O-Pee-Chee before, so there's a veteran. That's kind of nice. And Marty Brodeur. Another neat thing is, I always like O-Pee-Chee Platinum always has a selection of legend veterans. We've pulled a couple here. I still think it's nice that in a box of cards made in 2019, I can pull Marty Brodeur card. Pierre-Luc Dubois, Justin Abdelkader, Rainbow Jonathan Drouin, and there's Jonathan Marchessault. Joe Thornton. There's a retro Darnell Nurse. Marquee rookie Elias Anderson. And Andre Case. The Nuge. We've got a net magnets Austin Matthews. Marquee rookie Jeremy Lauzon. I don't know if that's how you pronounce that or not. And legend Daryl Sittler. Scored 10 points in a game once, in case you didn't know. Thomas Hertl, Eric Stahl, Violet Pixel, Jack Eichel. And we've got a marquee rookie of Warren Fogle, who brought in a little bit of controversy in their current series against the Caps. But I really like these Violet Pixel cards. I think they're really, really cool looking. No numbering on them, however. They replaced the tracks insert that was in this product before. But I really like how these ones look. Might be cool to collect a set of Violet Pixels. Keith Yandel, John Gibson. Oh, speaking of Violet Pixels, marquee rookie Violet Pixel, Evan Bouchard. Really neat. And Juuso Valimaki. Excuse me. Jordan Eberle, John Tavares, retro rookie Sam Steele. Try not to get too much glare on the camera. These are kind of hard to show. And Wayne Gretzky. Down to the final 3 packs here. Ryan Kessler, retro Henrik Borgstrom, Brett Hull, and marquee rookie Noah Juleson. Connor Hellebuck. This must be the Arctic Freeze. Take a look at that in a second here. Marquee rookie Brett Howden and Freddie Anderson. So this is the new insert, the Arctic Freeze. It's a rainbow foil, kind of like a little ice looking. This one is numbered 48 of 79. Arctic Freeze. It's a cool looking insert. Bo Horvat, Rainbow Anthony Mantha, Chris Letang, and Evan Bouchard. So there you have it. The newest product off the line, O-Pee-Chee Platinum 2018-19 Hockey. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the content I'm making, hit that subscribe button as it lets me know you are enjoying what I'm creating. That's 2018-19 O-Pee-Chee Platinum Hockey. Like I said, I'm sure you'll see me open up a few more boxes of these. And we will see you next time.